What up, guys? So I got one in, one out, but I bought this kit, and I'll put the link in the description. But I bought it from Outfront Motorsports, and it replaces all of your breathers, PCV, and the other two with AN fittings. So right now, I have mine sitting in the freezer before I put it in, and then that will so they're sitting in the freezer. You dab a Loctite, and since everything I have are AN fittings, it makes sense. So I'll get this one pressed in, and then for the other side, I have to move some stuff around, but I use a little bit of heat and then just pinch it and twist. So the kit comes with a cap, so you don't have to beat on the actual fitting. Save your threads. So they said we're gonna dab a Loctite. And a dead blow. Try not to torch too much on the valve cover itself, but it does make life easier heating it up. it's way easier without powder coat on it.